Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about distinctBy function in DataWeave. So let's get started. So this is the definition of distinctBy function. So let's understand this definition. So the distinctBy function in DataWeave is used to remove duplicate elements from an array based on a specific condition or key. So from this definition it is clear that it operates on array and removes duplicate elements from an array based on a specific condition or key. So this is the syntax of a distinctBy function. So we will provide an array as an input to distinctBy function, and it has two named parameter. One is item and the second one is index. So after this arrow operator, we will provide one expression, or you can say condition or key. So on the basis of this expression, condition or key, it will provide us the distinct or unique element. So let's understand key points of distinctBy function. Removes duplicates based on a condition, keeps first occurrence of an element that is occurring multiple times, returns a new array. So let's understand distinctBy function with the help of an example. So here I have taken this array which has some duplicate elements. You can see 2 is uh, appearing multiple times, likewise 3 and 4. So this is the output array that I'm printing. So now what we need to do, we just need to find only distinct or unique element. For that I need to write distinctBy. When you write distinctBy, it has, you can see it has two parameters, item and index. So after this arrow operator I will write one condition. On the basis of that condition, it will filter out the duplicates. So I am just writing item. So when I write item, so what it does, it removes all the duplicate items. You can see now we have only unique elements in this output array. So it is very simple example just to understand the functionality of distinctBy function. So you can see it takes array as an input and it gives output in the form of an array. So I have explained this example with the help of named parameters, right? Likewise, we can use anonymous parameters here as well. To do that, I need to write payload, then distinctBy, okay, and after that, just delete these parameters and write dollar. You can see this dollar represents all the elements. So dollar, when I write dollar, it gives us unique element. So that's how you can also use distinctBy function. Okay. So let me give another example as well. So here I have taken another payload, different payload, where I have an array of objects where we have these 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 objects. Objects contain ID and environment, two keys with values, like ID is 1 and the environment is dev, likewise ID is 2, environment is test. So we have ID 2 times, right? So now I want to remove this ID2, or I want only unique element from this array. So to do that, you can see here I have just written payload distinctBy, and this is the condition, right, or key. So on the basis of this ID key, it is filtering out the elements. So you can see now in this output array we have only unique elements on the basis of ID. So on the basis of this ID, it is filtering out the records. So you can see we have ID 1, 2, 3, 4. So this we have not this ID 2 times array in output array, but you can see in this input array we have ID 2 times, but not in output array. So that is how you can use distinctBy function to filter out, or to take only distinct or unique records. We'll see you in next video. Till then, bye bye.